Hello Internet and welcome to ACD Camping, the home of woodland shenanigans on a shoestring budget. I'm ACD and in this video I'd like to discuss the Criminal Justice and Public Order Act of 1994 and how it can affect your enjoyment of the outdoors. Originally this bill was introduced by the then Home Secretary Michael Howard to combat illegal raves and other anti-social acts. It was highly criticised. There are many sections brought into action, from the police's greatest ability to take bodily samples, the right to silence for the accused, and age restrictions on movies. But it is Section 5 of this Act that we'll be looking into in greater detail. The whole of this section deals with trespass and nuisance on the land. Raves, squatters, and unauthorised camping was heavily brought into play. Civil disobedience, or more politely referred to as the right to protest, was also clamped down upon in this section. Anti-hunt activists and road building protesters were heavily mentioned. Section 80 of Part 5 repealed the Caravan Sites Act of 1968, making traveller sites potentially a civil and criminal matter. So where exactly does this Act place the average wild camper? Well, let's first look at the legal definition of trespass. It is defined as the unjustifiable interference with land which is in the immediate and exclusive possession of another. This means the surface, subsoil, airspace and any permanent structures. Under English and Welsh law, it is not necessary to prove damage was caused. The action in itself is justifiable as a means to make a claim. The only exception is if you have to enter that area from an adjoining road to prevent a car accident. In Scotland, the Land Reform Act 2003 established universal access rights to most land and inland water. The Republic of Ireland has similar laws to those in England and Wales. The Criminal Justice Public Order Act of 1994 makes it an offence for a person to trespass into any building without reasonable excuse in such a manner as to cause or likely to cause fear in another person. In the Republic of Ireland, the Criminal Law Defence of the Dwelling Act 2011, a homeowner may use reasonable force upon a trespasser in the commitment of a criminal act.